In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to straighten a photo using Canva. It's a straightforward process that will help you enhance the professionalism of your images and get them looking just right for your next design project. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to go to your Canva document. This is where you'll be working on your photo. You can easily access Canva by navigating to your internet browser and typing in the Canva website. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. Upon entering, you'll be greeted by the Canva dashboard. It's there that you can locate your Canva document. Either open an existing design or start with a new one by clicking on the Create a Design button. Once you've got your document up and running, it's time to locate the photo you wish to straighten. Now let's move on to selecting the photo you want to straighten. This is an important step, as picking the right image ensures that you're working on a design that'll meet your needs. In the Canva editor, you'll see a list of elements on the left side of the screen. If you've previously uploaded a photo, you can find it in the Upload section. Click on it, and the image will appear on your design canvas. If you're working from scratch, upload the image from your device by clicking on the Uploads button and then selecting Upload Media. Once your image is on the canvas, click to select it, and a toolbar will appear above with multiple options. In this toolbar, you'll find the Crop button. Go ahead, give it a click. It's here in the cropping function where the magic happens. Now with the crop panel open, notice the different options that appear below the image. You'll see an option labeled Rotate. This is your tool for straightening. Click on the Rotate handle and gently drag it to the left or right, depending on how the photo is tilted. You'll want to adjust it until the photo looks aligned and the horizon is straight. A handy tip here, if your eye isn't naturally tuned into these small adjustments, look at other elements within the photo that should be straight, a horizon line, a building edge, or a piece of furniture, for instance. These can act as guides in helping you identify when your image is properly adjusted. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully straightened your photo in Canva. The only thing left to do is admire your work and perhaps hit the download button to save it to your device or share it with your team. Straightening a photo may seem like a small adjustment, but it's one that can make a big difference in the overall impact and professionalism of your designs. Thank you for watching and happy designing.